Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unlock iPhone 14 Plus on the latest ISO 26.1. iPhone locked it to owner. I am going to fully bypass this iCloud account. I will remove this iCloud account from iPhone 14 Plus and iPhone 14 series as well. And first of all, you need to buy the unlocking file from us. If you're interested in our unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me on this number and buy the unlocking file. If you don't have WhatsApp number, you can telegram me or you can email us on our email address. After buying the unlocking file, just you need to import the unlocking file to the 3G tool and import the after importing the unlocking file, just you need to select retain user data and start flashing. It will take like 5 to 10 minutes depend on your iPhone model, and your iPhone will be unlocked. For example, if you have any other iPhone like iPhone 14 or 14 Pro or 14 Pro Max, also this method is working for 14 series and 15 series, 16 series and 17 series. If you want to buy the unlocking file for other phones like iPhone 13, 12, 11 or any other phones, you can also contact me on this number. We are only available on WhatsApp and Telegram and email address, so you can contact us and buy the unlocking file. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section or you can email us on our email address. So we have already fast forwarded the video so I can guide you easily step by step in short time. Congratulations, our retained user flash has been completed on iPhone 14 Plus, which was on ISO 26.1, and we are going to unlock this phone on ISO 26.1. So now you can unplug your phone if you want, or just you need to follow the steps to activate this phone. Select any country, select continue, set up later, select. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. If you see data and privacy, it's mean old iCloud is gone and you can activate your phone. So don't worry, you will see data and privacy option because our service is permanent and 100% working. If you're from USA, you can also contact me on this number. If you're from any other countries, you can also contact me on WhatsApp and Telegram. Follow these steps to activate this phone. Set up later, don't use. If you need any help, if you want to know any information about unlocking, you can WhatsApp me and ask me any information about unlocking, how unlocking work, and we will also guide you step by step. Welcome, it's mean the old iCloud is gone and we have activated our phone iPhone 14 Plus. You can also enter the new iCloud account here if you want. This is iPhone 14 Plus on the latest ISO 26.1 and our phone is unlocked here. You can also check on 3G tool. There is no iCloud account and our service is permanent. You can also update or reset. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.